open Canva on your software, then move to design whatever you want to make. So I'm making a poster, so I'll go for poster. Then we have to search in the element section Holi. There you can see different types of graphics, videos and photos. We'll select this a cute Holi background, and then we'll adjust it according to our screen. Then we will reduce the transparency to 71. Then go for different elements, like I have selected this pink color gulal. We'll duplicate it and in 3 colors, and then we'll change each color in different. Like I have selected this one in red color, then the blue. Whichever you want to make your poster good, you can select that color. Now I'll make this gulal color at the back of the red color gulal so that it looks more good. Now we'll increase the size of all the gulals, and then again go to elements and select other element for it. Now we'll search for mandala. This is the mandala art we are searching for. The whichever you want to select, you can select the premium version also if you have the premium of Canva, or you can select the normal version. I'll change its color to white and then layer it before the all the gulals to make it look more elegant. You can see this is behind the objects. Now we'll adjust it according to our size posters. Then we'll again go to elements and search for Holi, and you can see different types of elements here. Now I am selecting the then you can select any of the element. I am searching, I am seeing the right element for the poster. You can also see from any inspo. Then I am selecting the water gun. This is the free one version, so I'm using it. Then you can place it wherever you want in your poster. So we can duplicate it and then flip horizontally and paste it exact at the same. Then we'll again search Holi and find. You can go for any element you ever want. I am searching it because I don't have any inspo and I'm making it raw. So you can have any inspo. Then I'll choose this color to make a table out of it, and we'll layer it after at the back of all the colors and the gulals. You can see it is looking very pretty. Then we can change its color from the default solid colors. There are different type of colors, you can see all have different shades. Whichever you want to like, you can select it. Then we'll go from, we can search other things, like I have searched gujia. This is opened Gava, but we have to search gujia, so I've selected the gujia, and now we can place it here to make it more realistic. I am placing all the colors that it looks more realistic. Then you can search other things, like I am searching for sweet drink as a thandai. We have different options there. You can select any of them. So I selected this one with the lemon, and I have to place it here, but it's not looking that good, so we'll remove it later. Then we have searched dahi bhalla and place it here. As you can see that we are increasing the size of table so that it looks more good and real. Then we'll search for malpua. It doesn't come, so you can search other elements or anything that you eat on Holi to make it on the poster. Then we have searched many things, but it's not in the thing, so we are searching for papdi chaat. You can see there are many video type items. We have go for golgappe, and now we'll layer them before all that so that it doesn't spoil the poster. So I'm increasing its size of gulals to make it under the poster. You can also do whichever you want. You can select other elements. It's not that you have to copy this poster. You can go for other posters too. Now we are heading towards our text. We have selected a subheading. We can go for different fonts. I am going for Shirikand. That's my favorite font, and increasing its size and going for different colors. We have default gradient and other default solid colors. So I'm placing it after, and now we can write happy to make Holi a main part of the poster. I've also set the happy font to Shirikhan to make it look good, and the poster is ready. You can adjust the fonts and everything as ever you want. There are effects also. You can have effects like you can say I have outlined the holy text. You can do same with the happy text. It is increasing the shine of the poster. So the poster is ready. You can export it from the side share option, download, then downloading it, and it comes in your software wherever you want. Thank you for watching.